So in this video I'm going to give you the introduction of this keyboard and how it works and what are the things we have in this keyboard. Keyboard learning helps improving the focus, sight reading, memory improvement, memory sharpen, reduces stress and hand coordination as well as the brain coordination. So in this keyboard, this is a full size keyboard, and in this keyboard we have total 61 keys. Total number of 61 keys from here to here. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. From the left hand, this area is called the lower octave, and this area is called the higher octave, and this is the highest octave. So in this one we have two different types of keys, which are the black keys and the white keys. And as you can see, I have written some notes. If you see here, this is the first C. Any keyboard, we have the starting note from the left hand side is C. From C to B, we read like this: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So from C to B, it's an octave. So same like that, this is first octave, second octave, third octave, fourth octave, and the fifth octave. So total 5 octaves, and this is an additional C, that is the highest pitch C. And in this keyboard we also have a middle octave, which is the third octave. This is the middle octave. Let's talk about the white keys and the black keys. So the white keys are also known as natural keys, and the black keys known as sharps or maybe flats. We can call them sharps as well as flats depending on how we are reading it. So right now we will read it as sharp only, and sharp symbol looks like a hashtag. So sharp doesn't have their own names. Actually, they are named by the previous notes. So if this is C, then this key will be C sharp. If this is D, then this key will be D sharp. And in the whole keyboard, in entire music, we don't have any E sharp and B sharp. So except that, we have all the keys sharp: C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. So total we have 12 notes of music. So this only repeats every time and makes octaves, different octaves, lower octave, higher octave, middle octave, like that.